Hi guys, here we are at Brimsdown station over crossing at Hertfordshire with AB Trains, the UK Trains fan. There we go. Time now is 18:24 on Saturday the 20th of July 2019, and this is for our 18:25 to Hotel 51 Greater Anglia service in Cambridge, North to London, Liverpool Street. Your 18:26 1 Bravo 08 Stansted Express service in London, Liverpool Street, Stansted Airport, and possibly even for your 18:28 1 Bravo 99 Stansted Express service from Stansted Airport to London, Liverpool Street.
And he's joined by the lovely UK Trains fan. Cheeky shout out.
We could also stay for your 18:32 to Oscar Road 2 Greater Anglia service from Stratford to Hertford East. Here comes train 1 out of a possible
7.
no. Out of a possible 4. 379020. 379022 to London, Liverpool Street, and we're staying for train 2 out of a possible 4. It might not even be 4 because it could even go up after the second or third.
Just be careful in case it starts to come up. Adam, move your arm just in case it starts to come up.
There's no way even in the barrel. If I were you, I'd stand behind the yellow line. What's that all about? There are a lot of flights coming on it again.
We are very near Stansted. Right, 379.
That will be the Stansted service, I believe. Yep. Here comes train 2 out of a possible 4. We've got 379003. 379009 to Stansted Airport, and we stay for train 3 out of a possible 4. We've got 379013. 379030 to London, Liverpool Street, and up they go. See, I told you, it might not be 4. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.